Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Donnie, and today I'm going to unbox a super cute diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. So if you want to see what it is, stick around and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, today I have a diamond painting that just came in. Let's see, I got it about 10 days ago. It was a pre-order for Valentine's Day, and it is still available. This one is called Scooby-Doo Valentine, and I know a lot of you were looking forward to seeing the Scooby-Doo diamond paintings, and this is going to be my first of a couple of Scooby-Doo diamond paintings that I've ordered from them. But here is a photo of what this diamond painting looks like. It is a rather small one, which is okay by me. That just means that I will get it done a lot quicker than I get the square ones done. It is round as well, so that speeds it up for me even more. So this box is super cute too. Look at all those colors, and oh, I can't wait. Yeah, I pre-ordered this on February 14th when it was first available, and they shipped it March 14th. It did say that it was going to be ready to ship between March 20th and March 31st, but it did ship March 14th, so it shipped a little bit earlier than they expected. I received it actually March 21st. So that was a nice little surprise that I received it so quickly compared to when they said it was going to be available to ship. And let's see, this one is $29.99 regular price, but if you are a first-time purchaser for Diamond Art Club, you can use my code down below in the description box for 20% off your first purchase. If you have ordered from Diamond Art Club before, you can get the discount code from the many places I've mentioned many times on where you can find a discount code for them. All right, so this is 33 by 38, so approximately a 30 by 40, if you round it up and down. And let's see here. We got everything out of the box. Mine came with one of the new toolkits, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But the first thing, first thing I like to show is this little sticker. Okay, I love these little things. I put mine in my journal, and that way I'm able to flip through my journal and find the one I'm looking for. And I do know some people that like to put them on the bottom of their box so that when they're filing it on their shelves, they can just look at the bottom of the box. This one's going to be easy to tell that it's the Scooby-Doo one because it's green, and they're not normally green. But I have found another way to get the same effect without using my cute sticker. I got this mini label maker on Amazon, and it is so efficient, and I've used it for so many different things. It's so easy to use. I just printed out a couple different labels here. So I put the name of the diamond painting and then where to find it in my journal book. That's what I do a lot, so I can find things. And then I just stick it here on the bottom so that when I put it on the shelf, I will be able to tell what this is and where to find it in my book. And just like that, I now have a way of filing it on a shelf. Now that I have room to keep my boxes, I went back to keeping the boxes. I had to get rid of so many boxes, it broke my heart before I moved. All right, here is the toolkit. Let's see, did I forget anything? Oh, it has 13 colors with 1 AB. It is round. And the total number of drills is 15,912. 15,912. All right, so they tend to do color themes in here, and so far I have not been disappointed in their color themes. And this is no different. I got a purple. This is the first time I've had a purple drill pin. And they sent a purple squishy that to go with the purple theme here. And then I've got a purple cover minder that they send. They send cover minders in with these newer kits. It's purple as well, and the washi tape is even purple. So yeah, I've come to the conclusion that they do try to match the washi tape to the color of the drill pin and the cover minder, because yeah, I've opened a few of these now, and it's safe to say they do a really good job of making it all match to one color. All right, you also get 2 of these thin placers. This one's a 7 and this one is a 4. And this is always good to have extras because these do wear down. I have the whole line of thin placers in my shop. The link is down below. So they come in sizes 3 through 15. And for those mad multi-placer people who like to do confetti with the huge multi-placers, those are awesome to be used. All right, and you get 2 wax pads. You get 2 heart-shaped wax pads and this little container. And if you want extras, or if you need another one, I do carry a little different. Mine's a little different, made a little differently out of a little different plastic material, but I also carry extra hearts. They come in, I have blue and pink. So if you want any of those extras down below, I have the links in the description box. You get a bag full of baggies, so you get everything you need to start diamond painting right away. They also have this new upgraded drill tray. This is made out of a different material. Most drill trays you'll notice are made out of the I think it's called PUC plastic, where it's made more like a softer plastic material. Not this. Yeah, I think this is what that is. This looks, this is thicker. It's a harder plastic, and the sides on the walls on these are higher than the one that they used to carry, and they have a stopper that goes in the end, so your drills won't fall out when you're shaking it or going to put it back in. You can get them all down there, and then you stick it in your bag or your container, and then you just lift the stopper out, and it pours in nicely. And it matches. It's also got the gold glitter on it, just like the tray. So they match. They go good together, and yeah, these are much nicer than the ones that they used to have. All right, now let's look at that diamond painting. And because this is a round diamond painting, the kit does not come with tweezers. Maybe one day they'll start putting the scoop tweezers in with the round kits. But until then, or maybe not until then, but for what they do now is they put in a pair of tweezers with their square kits, because the sharp tweezers are very convenient for people who like to use tweezers to place drills, which I like to do sometimes. And the square kits will come with this pair of tweezers here, the pointy, nice and pointy. Only if you get it in the newer toolkit. The older toolkit has their black plain tweezers. But the new toolkits that look like this in the beige bag will come with this pair of tweezers if it's a square kit. All right, so let's get on to the diamond painting. It'll come in a bag right here, which you can reseal it if you pull that off carefully. The material of these canvases it's called tarpaulin, which is a material that is soft velvety canvas. It has makes it so that your diamond painting is self-flattening. I mean, you have to give it a little, if you want to get it flat right away, you have to bend it a little bit, but it is poured glue, so you're not going to hurt the canvas. But if you just lay it out flat, eventually you come back, it will flatten all on its own. But for this video's sake, I'm just going to kind of curve the edge so that we can get it flattened right away. And it also makes the colors vibrant for a long time. For the lifetime of your diamond painting, the colors will stay nice and bright. And that's especially important on these round drills, these round diamond painting kits, because the round drills do not, butt up against each other. They're, round. So you're going to have areas that you can still see the canvas. And so it's especially important to have a very high quality canvas for round drills so that you can see the color that matches the diamonds in between those cracks, the spots in between. Even with square diamond paintings, you have little gaps between drills sometimes. So it's important to have a really high quality canvas. And that's just my opinion. But yeah, here it is. It's just, it's a little bigger than a 30 by 40, but just by a hair, not by much. And here we are with the 13 colors. I forgot to show you what else is in the kit. You get your thank you pamphlet. There's some really good information in here. Make sure you look through it, especially if you are a first-time purchaser. Then you get your inventory sheet right here, which is a sticker. It's a big sticker. So you can reuse, or you can keep it in a binder like I've been doing. This whole thing is a sticker. You can write your start and end date on here. And it's got more information, and this is one giant sticker of Scooby-Doo right there. It says review. And these are the colors that are in this kit. And we do have 1AB, which is number 1. And with Diamond Art Club, you know which ones are going to be AB because they number their ABs below 150. So number 1 is color code 110, and that's going to be our AB. So I'll point those out here. You're going to get quite a bit of them, actually, because all of this red is going to be AB. All that in there, around the heart, around the flower, up here in the heart. Oh, can't see that. Up here. So that's quite a bit of ABs on this diamond painting. Your canvas also comes with scalloped edges, and it's serged, so you don't have to worry about it unraveling. Like I'm sure if you've ordered from any second-rate company overseas or something, you will see that your canvas is falling apart. That won't happen with these. And here is our drill filled. Try and get the glare of the sun off of there, and you can see those symbols. There you go. Now that it's focused, nice and clear. And if you like to do color blocking, this is going to be super fun because there's a lot of color blocking. 13 colors, and the majority of the colors are, there's a bunch of those colors right here. I mean, I can see some that just have a handful of colors like X and E. You're going to have a lot of because it's the blue in here, but then there's another blue color on his did I say collar? I meant color on his collar. But yeah, there's a little bit of black, but lots of pink. So I'll show you the drills here in a second. I want to do this because sometimes in the middle of a big diamond painting, which I'm doing Alice puzzles right now, Alice puzzle, and it's really big and it's square, and I want to do something, an in-between project, in between finishing that and starting my next one, just because it's a lot. And I want to do something that I can whip out really fast, and I want to do a round. I've been doing squares lately, and so it's been a long time since I've done a round. So this came in perfect time for me to be able to just sit and do this one. And actually I'm going to see how long it takes me to do, because my brain needs to de-square, if you know what I mean. All right, here's our drills. And I'm going to just turn the little light on right here so that we can, wrong color. There we go. So you can see the drills a little better. All right. All right, it's all in one strip. Whoa. We'll start with the small amount. All right, so we have, here's some pink, and there's some white, and some little yellows, little green. Only 13 colors, guys, so. And then there is, maybe that wasn't black. No, it is not black. It is a 3371. So there's no black in this. So that's the black brown, which is I call it espresso color. And here's more. Where's that AB? I'll find it. Here it is. It's more like a reddish pink color. And you can tell AB drills because they've got that coating on them. And what that does is it gives your diamond painting a zap of sparkle. I mean, it shines like no other. Every time at different angles, you can see that coating will change kind of, it'll look like a different color on there. And so they call it AB because it reminds us of the Northern Lights, the way it shifts colors. So AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And there's a lot of this color. There's a lot of this color for this diamond painting because there's a lot of spots it goes on. And we've got some brown for Scooby's skin color, fur color. And here is our background color. There are 4 bags of 3326. So yeah, this is just a real quick video because it's a super small one. We're able to get through all those drills because there's only 13 colors. And I'm looking forward to doing it. Did you guys grab this one or do you plan to get it? It's not that big. It's pretty easy. It would be good for, even a kid to do if they have never diamond painted before and you want to introduce them to something. This is kind of beginner friendly, I would say. If you didn't buy this one, did you buy either of the other 2 Scooby-Doo diamond paintings that were available? There's been 3 that I've seen so far that I can remember. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments section or just stop by and tell me hi and let me know what you're working on. I love to read your comments, you guys. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked my video and make sure to catch me in my next video coming soon. So I'll see you there in that video and have fun diamond painting. And don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.